He's taking his first steps.
Put him on my hand.
Say step up.
Step up. There you go. There you go. Pretty bird. It's okay. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Oh, come on.
You might just need to get him out with your hand. Say step up.
Come here. Step up. Come here. There you go. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? Gonna get on that? Say hi to Hermie. Say hi, Hermie. Hi, I'm here to terrorize you.
She's not scared of the cat. She's never seen one.
No. The cat's like, whoa, munch. Is that your friend, Hermie?
Look at Herman.
The cat. The
Oh,
bird
he's
sat-
bored with the bird already.
He's scared.
Hey, bird.
He's looking around. Better get some food in there for him. This has been used too. Look at that.
That was kind of, I think the bird made that mess.
This bird?
Yeah,
Oh.
because he didn't like being in there.
Oh.
I better get some food in the cage.
Yep.
You want to say hi to Twitter?
Hi, Twitter.